Hello everyone. Welcome to the CRM Fundamental course. CRM system is the most essential system for engaging with customers. It has a significant impact on a company's revenue and the level of maintaining customer relationships. Therefore, it has increasingly gained the attention of major companies worldwide. Among them, the SaaS platform of companies like Salesforce has witnessed rapid development. However, building a customized CRM system offers numerous benefits, including greater flexibility and alignment with your business characteristics. This course aims to teach you how to develop a CRM system from the ground up. What you will learn from this course: 1. How to develop a CRM system from scratch. The main process of developing a CRM system, from business needs analysis to designing the main business processes, functional architecture, product roadmap, prototyping, to creating the PRD product requirements document. 3. Prototypes for desktop backend and mobile app. 4. How to create a PRD in Axure format. 5. Basic knowledge of B2B product development. Object-oriented audiences of the course. 1. Product managers. Those who need to build a CRM system or master basic skills. 2. Executives or bosses. Those who want to understand the basic knowledge and requirements for developing a CRM system. 3. UI/UX/product designers. Those who need to create prototypes or design interfaces. 4. Other CRM professionals or individuals interested in entering the CRM industry. They need to understand the basic knowledge of CRM product development. The instructor of this course is a CRM product expert actively working in the field, possessing exceptional skills in requirements analysis and prototyping. If you purchase this course, you will receive this product as a bonus. We invite you to join us in this exciting course, where knowledge and growth await.